Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to another vlog. This is Joy Garcia Vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin is magro-road trip natin na naman tayo today, which is nakikita nyo naka-helmet ako guys. So yan guys, nandito na ngayon tayo dito sa Dragon City. So yan guys, yan yung harap ng Dragon City. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa my Dragon City. Ring light.
Which one?
This one.
Small. The small and the middle one.
The medium size.
The medium size, this one coming 7BD.
7BD. The small size.
5BD. 5.
This is more cheaper. So no more discount. That's the fixed price.
This is the last price.
Last price. So much better, that's all. Thank you. So yan guys, ito yung Dragon City dito sa loob. Yan guys. Ito yung roof nila guys. Ayan, roof ng Dragon City. Yan. Ang cute naman ng falls na yan. Yan guys, may pa-falls sila. Yan guys. Yan, yung mga haligi niya is meron siyang pa-falls.
Awesome!
Ay, Yan, yung sa taas niya, guys. Yan, guys, may mga ring light sila pero mas mahal yung ring light nila dito kaysa dun sa pinuntahan namin. Outside. So yun, guys, we can see outside. I-check natin. This is the door. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So yun, guys. Yan, dito sa Dragon City, guys. Pag pumunta ka dito, the whole Bahrain, you can see that side. Yan yung area ng Bahrain. Yan yung Manama, which is yun yung pinaka-city nila, which is yung may pink color na. Pink color, is it? Yan. Ngayon, guys, is nandito kami sa area. What's the name of your shop?
Rest Time Electronics.
Yan, guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Rest Time Electronics dito sa my Dragon City. So ngayon, si ate, kasi nga naka-offer siya ng massager niya, machine niya, yung body massager niya, is naka-offer siya ng 4BD lang siya, guys. So ngayon, while waiting for the items, guys, papaupuin niya kami dito, guys, para ma-try. Ay, sarap yung massage chair niya. So ngayon, guys, ito na, guys, nagma-massage chair kami.
Ayan, working yan.
How much did
4BD. 4BD na lang, no?
No discount?
200 for the tax.
No
Ayan,
discount?
Already discount. Actually, should be last 5 to 50. But I give you for dinner too.
Last
So yan, guys, ang sarap.
Before
Ang sarap niyang magpamassage,
And last
guys.
price is 5 dinner to 50. But
Ay.
now for dinner
Oh, di ba, guys, pag nandito kami sa area na ng Dragon City, nag-travel kami, and then after that, unang stop namin is dito sa massage sa Rest Time Electronics, which is so good job, guys, kasi nga naka-promo pa sila. So bumili kami ng massager, guys. So yun, ang sarap, guys. Oh. Nagmamassage chair kami, guys. Ang sarap niyang mag-massage. Yan, yung neck and back massager, sabi niya. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. Ayan, guys, nagmamassage tayo.
Kaya akong name and now.
Bili na namin yung massager massage. Yung Ayan si ate, guys, from Philippines, from Davao. Shout out ka dyan, ate. Say hi to your family.
Hello.
Yan.
Family.
Ayan, guys, nakita namin si ate. Dito siya nagwo-work. Ang ganda ng mga paninda niya, guys. Oh. May ring light. Yan, ang daming ring light niya, guys. Ang lalaki pa ng ring light niya.
Maria.
Yan si Maria from Davao City.
Davao City.
Yan, guys. Bye, kabayan.
Bye po.
Yan. Ayan sila, mga kababayan natin dito sa Bahrain na mababait. Yan. Ayan si ate. Vlog, ano ate? Shout out ka. Taga saan ka, ate?
Taga-Aklan.
Taga-Aklan din siya, tsaka sa taga Davao. Anong pangalan mo, ate?
Julie.
Ha?
Julie.
Si ate Julie. Ate Julie, ha?
Hello.
Subscribe mo to my YouTube channel. Mag-hi ka na sa family mo.
Hello, everybody.
Ayan.
Hindi nakikita yung ganda kasi nakamas.
Oo. Pero kahit nakamas siya, guys, nakikita mo pa rin yung tunay na ganda. Yan, pati si ate. At si Julie. Oh, yan. Mag-TikTok. Yan daw siya. Yung follow nyo sa TikTok niya, guys.
I-follow nyo po ako, Ninya Faye.
Ninyo Faye?
Ninya Faye.
Ninja Faye daw, guys. I-follow nyo dun sa TikTok niya, guys. Yan. Para makita nyo dyan sa yung dabawen niya, girl. Magaling mag-TikTok. Bye! Bye-bye, guys. Bye, guys. So yun, guys, dito sa Dragon City, ang dami nating mga kababayan dito, guys.
Na magaganda.
Magaganda. Shout out ka dyan, ate. Taga saan ka?
Taga Sampaloc, Manila.
Sampaloc, Manila daw siya, guys.
Under ni Isko Moreno.
Ayan guys, ang pinakamagandang alahera dito sa
Naman.
yan guys.
Sa Tambalong, Manila.
Ayan, this is their food court.
There ice cream you want?
Food court nila to guys.
You want ice cream?
Just Miss. Just Miss. Itong Just Miss guys is just like Jollibee. Parang Jollibee siya guys. Pizza. Hi. Ito yung mga food nila guys.
Pick up the chicken with rice, 2.5 juice.
Chicken.
Okay, chicken bechamel, spaghetti, guacamole, juice. Same 2.5.
How much this?
1.5.
Hello. Yan guys. You're from?
1.5.
Where are you from?
We're from Cairo.
Kylo. Yan guys.
Egypt.
Yan you're from Egypt? Yeah, they're from. All these guys is from Egypt. So they have their pizza. So they have their Egyptian. How much this one?
This one sausage, 1 BD.
1 BD? Both of them, all of them 1 BD?
No, no. 2 medium slice, 2 mini piece. Okay, 1 BD.
So 2 medium slice, 1 BD.
1 BD.
For the pizza?
Yes, pizza stuffed American. Okay, chicken pepperoni, chicken pesto.
How much the people need? 2 piece of this one.
Mini,
What's the name of that one? Yeah, mini.
mini 2.
Yeah. How much? 1 BD. How do you call that one? What do you call?
Make
No, what do you call the name?
this
Name.
chicken.
Sushi.
Sausage chicken.
Sausage chicken. And then they have also pizza guys.
Chicken
This is
pepperoni.
beef or chicken?
Yeah.
Beef and chicken.
No, only chicken.
Only chicken. What is on the top?
This
The top-
sausage chicken.
The top, what is
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
chicken also?
Chicken.
And this one?
This chicken pesto with
Chicken pesto.
chicken fritos.
All chicken?
Yeah, only vegetable.
How much this vegetable?
1.5 same and juice.
1.5 is the same as the chicken.
Yes.
This one should be more cheaper because vegetarian. You correct?
Which one you buy now?
This is way more cheaper because it's vegetarian. There's nothing meat inside. This meat is more expensive, guys. But we want to order this one also. Give me one piece, 1 BD, right? 1.5?
Yeah.
1.5. So yun guys, nag-order ako
With
this
juice,
one.
right?
I ordered this one. Is a chicken pizza. I don't know what you call this one, guys. And then this one, 2 pieces. So thank you, guys. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga lights, ang ganda ng mga lightings nila dito, guys. Oh, lightings, ang ganda ng light. Puro light lahat sila, guys. Chandeliers. Ang gaganda ng mga chandeliers nila, guys. Oh, pang mayaman ang mga chandelier nila, guys. Oh, pag gusto niyo ng mga vintage, ganyan, oh, guys. Pang mamahalin. Mamahalin talaga ito mga to, uy. Ayan, guys, ang gaganda nila. Ito naman yung mga LED light. LED light, guys. Oh, ang ganda ng mga lightings nila, guys. Oh, lightings pa more. Ayan, ang ganda ng mga light. Dito sa area na to, ang ganda ng mga light nila, guys. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. Oh, yan, oh, guys, oh. Very nice light, guys.
Awesome!
Oh, see? Too much light. Ayan, guys. Ayan, ang gaganda ng mga light nila. How much? This one very small. So yan, guys, nandito na tayo sa labas. Pauwi na tayo. So tapos na yung pagkukuhan natin dito sa Dragon City. Yan. Uwi na tayo, guys, kasi nga pagod na tayo, guys. So that's all for my vlog today. Thank you for watching my vlog today, guys. And this is RJ Garcia Vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So yun, tapos na tayo dito sa Dragon City. So it was an exciting naman. guys, pero yung sa area dito, kaso lang nakita ninyo walang masyadong tao na naglalabasan kasi nga dito sa pandemic din. So it was a good experience din, napasok natin yung Dragon City dito sa Bahrain. So yun lang guys, please keep safe guys, and thank you for watching my vlog. Ingat kayo palagi guys, thank you and God bless. Mwah.